So the terminal side of essential angle theta intersects a circle centered at the origin and the point negative 1384. So x is negative 13 and y is 84. And to find the radius, we use the Pythagorean theorem, and that's going to be the square root of x squared, which we need parentheses around it because it's negative, and the y squared. So in our calculator, we've got negative 13 quantity squared plus 84 squared, which is 7,225. And when we take the square root of 7,225, that turns out to be a perfect square of 85. So the radius of this circle is 85. Sine is the ratio of the y over the x, so that's going to be, sine is y over r, so that's going to be 84 over 85 because our radius is 85. And then cosecant is the reciprocal of that, so 85 over 84. Cosine is x over r, and our x is negative 13. And then the reciprocal, and then tangent, you had correct. Then to use a calculator to approximate the angle, we need to make sure that we're in degree mode, since the units here are degrees. And then we can pick any of these trig functions, sine, cosine, or tangent. I'll go ahead and do the arc sine since that's listed first. So arc sine of 84 divided by 85 is 81.2026 degrees, and it says to round to the nearest degree, so that would be 81 degrees in quadrant 1, but this angle is in quadrant 2 because the x is negative and the y is positive. So we're going to need to reflect that answer, that first quadrant angle of 81 degrees, into the second quadrant where x is negative. And half the circle is 180, and we're going backwards, which would be clockwise. So this angle is 180 minus 81. Which is 99 degrees. So theta is 99 degrees.